Welcome to this guide on how to allow Pinterest to use your data to train Pinterest Canvas on the app for PC with the latest update. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click the gear icon. This is where you access your settings. Next, go to the Settings option, and from there, find and select Privacy and Data. This section manages how Pinterest handles your personal information and data usage. Inside Privacy and Data, you'll see an option labeled Use Your Data to Train Pinterest Canvas. This setting allows Pinterest to use your data to improve their AI-powered Canvas feature by learning from how you interact with the app. To enable this feature, simply check the box next to Use Your Data to Train Pinterest Canvas. After you've checked this box, don't forget to click Save at the bottom to confirm your choice. Once saved, Pinterest can include your data in training the Canvas AI models, which can help enhance your overall experience and make Pinterest features smarter and more personalized. Remember, this is an optional setting, and if you prefer not to share your data for this purpose, you can leave the box unchecked or disable it anytime by following the same steps. That's all it takes, a few straightforward steps to allow Pinterest to use your data to train Canvas on the PC app. Enabling this helps Pinterest build better AI tools tailored to your interests while keeping you in control of your privacy choices. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your improved Pinterest experience.